This is just a little video of something weird that was happening to me on Saturday morning over at Langston Harbour, sending some CW on 15 metres. And you can hear there's an echo at the end of my transmissions. And I've noticed multipath effects before on reception of SSB signals from Australia and New Zealand. It's fairly common. And I'm sure that this actually, with my CW, is not a rare event. But it's the first time I've ever noticed it. And there's some interesting propagation effects here taking place, I would imagine. The delay on the signals is variable, but it's around 200 to 300 milliseconds, which implies there's quite a lot of distance being travelled by the signal. I'm pretty sure it's not a locally generated effect, and I'd be interested to see if people have any observations on what the cause of this is. Has it ever happened to you? How common is it? And that kind of thing. There is only audio on one channel because there is a lot of wind noise, but I'll clean that up. And I'll come back later in the week and I will post a second video with some further observations and looking at how I've analysed the signal in Audacity to try and find out what is going on. Thanks for watching, and 7-3.